How to cancel transfer money in ScotiaBank. To do this, first, open the ScotiaBank app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, your home page will appear, where you need to tap on the Move Money tab. Then, select the Interac e-transfer option. Next, tap on the Manage tab. To cancel a transaction, ensure that it is still in the pending section and not already completed. If the transaction is still pending, you can cancel it. However, if it appears in the History section, it means the transaction has already been completed or deposited, and in that case, you won't be able to cancel it. If the transaction is pending, simply tap on it. Along with the transaction details, you will see an option called Cancel Transfer or Cancel Transaction. Tap on this option, and you will be able to cancel the transaction. That's the only way to cancel a transaction on your ScotiaBank account. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.